Hello everyone, so today I'm going to tell you about the most important diagrams of physics class 10 ICSE, and trust me, this video is going to be very helpful and very useful to all the ICSE board students. So let's start the video without any further ado. So first chapter is your force, and I don't see any important diagram in force as far, मतलब कि कुछ ऐसा है नहीं इसमें, तो इसमें आपको कुछ ऐसा पढ़ना वरना है नहीं, लेकिन हाँ जैसे कि मतलब ये जो दिए रहते हैं ना आपको कि क्या सेंटर ऑफ मास होते हैं, कहाँ पे कौन से ऑब्जेक्ट का, तो ये आप दिमाग में रख लो इसको बनाने के लिए, तो मतलब ऐसा आई गेस नहीं आएगा। एंड रेस्ट और मुझे ऐसा कुछ दिखता नहीं है इसमें, तो यस इसमें ऐसा कोई डायग्राम नहीं है जो आपको ड्राइंग के लिए स्पेशली प्रैक्टिस करना हो। बाकी जो ऐसे डायग्राम जनरल दिए गए हैं इसमें आप देख लो कि क्या व्हाट द कॉन्सेप्ट इज गोइंग टू टेल यू अबाउट, सो दिस ओनली यू हैव टू सी। So the first diagram which I'm going to tell you about is actually, it's not a diagram, it's a graph, and the graph is of conservation of mechanical energy in motion under gravity. This is a very important graph. This can come either for your labeling or for your drawing, so you have to keep this in mind. Then comes your all the levers and all the kinds of the levers which are asked in the exam generally. Then also about this single fixed pulley and the movable pulley, you should know about the diagram, you should know about them. Then also about the single movable pulley with a fixed pulley diagram is also important. And also your block and tackle diagrams, like all the block and tackle diagrams are very important, and I'm pretty sure about them. I can just guarantee you one diagram, one question of your block and tackle pulley, it will come. Your concept in block and pulley diagram should be very clear, very crystal clear. Then in your refraction of light at plane surfaces, I am saying that please practice all the diagrams. All the means diagrams are not there like those rays and all. Practice all the rays because it is very important. I can't just express it because some questions have to be coming from there. So you have to practice all the ray diagrams and everything you have to practice, like all these refraction, like all this and this, everything. Okay, and also means everything you have to practice about principle of reversibility and that lateral displacement one diagram, and like everything means I can't just tell it about something that deviation via prism. This is very important. So your chapter 4, refraction of light at plane surfaces, this whole chapter you have to prepare very well, and also all the ray lights, it is very important because I can't say that this is not important. This is very important. Everything like real and apparent depth, this one, real and apparent depth, this is very important. And bending of stick due to refraction, an object in rare medium viewed from a denser medium, this all is very important. You have to practice it very well. And also deviation through 90 degree, through 180 degree, through 60 degree, everything and their examples, it is very important. Next comes your refraction through a lens. All the lenses are very important. देखो ये तुम्हारा ऑप्टिक्स वाला पार्ट है ना, ऐसे मैं कुछ नहीं कह सकती कि ये important है, ये important नहीं है, because everything is important in that. So now in spectrum chapter, this dispersion by a prism, this is very important. You have to learn this. Straight away come to your chapter sound. In sound, all those graphs like displacement time graph for natural or free vibration, for your damped vibration, this is very important. And then some diagrams are given for your experimental question also, so that is also you have to keep in mind. And then like soft and loud notes is very important, and your low pitch note, high pitch note graph, it is there. And pure note, musical note, two sounds of same amplitude, and music and noise graph, so this is also it's very important. Then comes your current electricity. So in current electricity, some graphs are there that graphs, like these graphs are very important. So these graphs you have to prepare them very well. Graphs are important for this. All the graphs I am giving, like I have not mentioned the graphs name, but every graph is important. From current electricity there was no drawing part question, only all the graphs you have to prepare it very well. And then comes your household circuits. In household circuits, some important diagrams are there, like your function of fuse connected in neutral wire, this is very important. And this switch connected your this 3-pin plug and this socket, this is very important. Local earthing is very important. That's all for this chapter. And then next comes your chapter of electromagnetism. In electromagnetism, like all those experiment on the magnetic effect of current and the magnetic field lines around a straight current carrying wire. This is important. And magnetic field due to current in a loop, those anti-clockwise current, clockwise current is important. And then your solenoid carrying current, then your I-shaped electromagnet, then your horseshoe electromagnet. This is very important. The most important diagram is your DC motor and AC generator. This is very important. You can't leave it. Please mark my words. It's very important. You can't leave it, and you have to practice everything like labeling and everything, and then working of a DC motor. This you can study. Then the next most important is your step up transformer and step down transformer. Very important. Please practice it. Please mark my words. Okay. And then your calorimetry. You have to practice diagram of your calorimeter. Our teacher told this. For ice, initially at 0°C, then heating curve of water. This is very important. Radioactivity, your deflection of radioactive radiations in electric field and magnetic field. This is important. And yes, this is much is only there in your class 10th ICSE physics diagram. Yeah, so that's it for today's video. I hope you liked the video, and please share it, subscribe my channel, like, and do comment your doubts or anything you want to comment. I just love reading your comments. It really makes my day. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Till then, take care and bye bye.